children, I Rehana Kasri representing Bright Star International School Bilimora would like to explain in the topic fun with give and take of maths subject. In maths textbook, page number 87. Now I am continuing next exercise. Indu's pencil is 15 cm long. Jyoti pencil is 8 cm long. Whose pencil is longer? How much longer? Indu's pencil is 15 cm long and Jyoti's pencil is 8 cm long. So whose pencil is longer? Indu's or Jyoti? Whose pencil is longer? So naturally Indu's pencil is longer. Now how much longer? So we have to subtract Indu's pencils minus Jyoti's pencil. Okay, Indu's pencil is the 15 cm. So 15 cm long Indu's pencil minus 8 cm long Jyoti's pencil. Okay, 15 minus 8. Okay, so first we have to take ones place. Ones place have 5 and 8. 5 minus 8 is not possible because 5 is the smaller number and 8 is the bigger number. So bigger number is not subtract from smaller number. So we have to take 10. We have to borrow tens to here and we have to cut 5 and write there up 15. We have to take tens to here, borrow tens to here, means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And that he will give, so that put 0. 1 before number is 0. So he will give 10, so that have 0. Okay. Now 15 minus 8 is possible. So 8 after we have to count and go from 15. Okay. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 will come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write in here 7 centimeter. Okay, so how much long? 7 centimeter long Indu's pencil. Okay, then Jyoti's pencil. Ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kg salt, 1 kilogram salt. It may be 1 kilogram salt is rupees 16. Okay, and price of 1 kilogram sugar, 1 kilogram it may be sugar, its price is rupees 35. Which one is more costly, salt or sugar? Sugar is the most costly. How much more does it cost? Okay, so how we have to know? We have to subtract sugar. Okay, sugar minus salt. We have to subtract salt from sugar. Okay, so 35 price of 1 kg of sugar and 60 price of 1 kg of salt. 35 minus 16. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow tens to here. So we have to cut in here and 10 plus here 5 means 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So here we'll cut and reduce one number. So 2 number will come. Okay. Now 15 minus 6 is after we have to go from 15. 6 then we have to go. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many box? 3, 6 and 9 box. Okay. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. The sugar costs more than salt by rupees 19. Okay, by rupees 19. Now next question. Ajay cooked chapati in 25 minutes. Ajay cooked chapati in 25 minutes. And then he made dal. Then he made dal in 50 minutes. Okay, first Ajay cooked chapati and then after he cooked dal. So how much time did he take to cook both things? So how much time does he want to cook both things? Means that sums for addition. That sums is addition. 25 minutes to make chapatis and 50 minutes to make dal. So that sums is addition. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, 1 is the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 40 minutes to make both things. So both things that will make for 40 minutes. Okay, now next our question fourth. Next our question is fourth. Chanchal sells school sweaters. In 2 days, she sold some red, blue and grey color sweaters. Okay. Chanchal sells school sweaters. Sweater has 3 colors, red, blue and grey. Okay. Sweater sold on first day. First day, 38 red sweaters sold. First day, 38 red sweaters sold, 66 blue sweaters sold and 74 grey sweaters sold. Okay, these three kind of sweater she sold. First day, red is 38, blue is 66 and grey is 74 sweaters sold. Now second day, 40 red sweaters sold, 23 blue sweater and 89 grey sweater sold. Okay, so now look at the above and answer the following. Say question number 1 is how many grey sweater did Chanchal sell in 2 days? How many grey sweaters Chanchal sell in 2 days? Okay, so now we have to see grey sweater. First day 74 grey sweater sold and second day 89 grey sweater sold. So 2 days. So both how many total sweaters is sold? So means this sum is addition. So we have 274 sweaters sold on the first day and 89 sweaters sold on the second day. 74 plus 89, 4 plus 9. So we have to take 9 box and count after 4. 4 then we have to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have to write in here down 3 and 1 is our carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer will come 163. So Chanchal sold total 163 grey sweaters in 2 days. Okay. Now our next question. Did she sell more red sweater than blue sweaters in 2 days? Okay, so first we have to see this. How many red sweater 2 days she sold and how many blue sweaters she sold in 2 days. So we have to know okay, which one is more. Okay, so first is given. First we have to search this blue sweater. Okay, blue sweater is 66 and 23. So 66 sweater on first day sold and 23 sweaters on second day sold. So 66 2 days means that is the addition sums. So 66 plus 23, 6 plus 3. So 6 then we have to count from 3, 7, 8, 9. So write in here 9 and 6 plus 2, 6 then 7, 8. So write in here 8. So 89 total sweaters. Okay. So total blue sweater is sold 89. And now we have to see these red sweaters. Okay. So 38 plus 40 we have to do. 38 sweater sold on the first day and 40 sweater sold on the second day. So 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 and 3 plus 4. So 3 after we have to count 4. 3 then 4, 5, 6, 7. So 78 total red sweater. So what asks that question? Did she sell more red sweater than blue sweater? Okay, now we have to see. Red sweater is 78 and blue sweater is 89. So she sell more red sweater than blue sweater? So no, she did not sell more red sweater than blue sweater because blue sweater is more than red sweater. So answer is Chanchal sold 89 blue sweater and 78 red sweater in 2 days. So she did not sell more red sweater than blue sweaters. Okay. Now next page. Question C. How many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? More than 120 or less than 120? Tick the right answer. Okay, how many red and grey sweater? How many red and grey sweaters she sell on the first day? Okay, now we have to see red and grey sweater. Okay. So red sweater is 38 and 438 and grey sweater is 74. First day they ask this, first day how many red and grey sweater is sold. So first day 38 red sweater sold and 74 grey sweater sold. So 38 red sweater sold on first day, 74 grey sweater sold on the first day. So that is total 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 means 8 after we have to count 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 will put on here and 1 is our carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7. 4, then we have to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, again we have to count 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 112. 112. So 112 total. So more than 120 or less than 120? So less than 120. So we put tick mark less than 120. Now next our question is D. How many sweater in all did she sell on the second day? How many sweaters in all did? All red, blue and grey sweater in second day sale. More than 140 or less than 140. So second day how many sweaters will be sold, that we have to see. Second day red sweater is 40, blue sweater sold is 23 and grey sweater sold is 89. So we have to write 40 red sweater sold on second day, 23 blue sweater sold on the second day and 89 grey sweater sold on the second day. 40, 23, 89, 40, 23, 89. Okay. Now what asks this question? How many all did she sell on the second day? Means this all, how many sell on the second day, means that is the addition sum. So 3 plus 9. So we have to count 9 box. Count after 3, 9 box. Okay, 3 then we have to count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12. So 2 will be put in here and 1 is our carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 we have to add 2. 5 we have to add 2. 5 then 6, 7. Okay, 7 that we have to add 8. 7 we have to add 8. 7 then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15, 152. Okay, 152 is total all sweaters. So that is the more than 140 or less than 140. So it is the more than 140. Okay, so children, this activity you have to write in your notebook. I will send in PDF. Thank you. Thank you, children.